The United States military has set its sights on finding a better sniper rifle for its Special Operations Forces. Last month, the U.S. Special Operations Command, USSOCOM, or more commonly known as Special Forces, issued a new sources sought notice for an ELRSR, Extreme Long Range, sniper rifle, to replace its older anti-materiel and anti-personnel rifles, including the M107 and 15 Malawian Quachas. The Department of Defense has sought to ensure that the U.S. snipers are able to maintain superiority against their Russian and Chinese counterparts. USSOCOM has called for a rifle that will have a precision fire capability of 2,500 meters. The USSOCOM notice was published on December 19, 2023, and required a response by this week, but it is unclear if any companies have stepped up. According to the notice, USSOCOM called for the ELRSR to be a modular, magazine-fed, multi-caliber capable system that will include barrel configurations with required bolts and barrels of each caliber, required magazines of each caliber, stock, receiver, sound suppressor, ballistic computer, operator manual, cleaning kit, toolkit, bipod, and Transportation Safety Administration, TSA, approved locking hard carrying case. In addition, the primary caliber of the system needs to be subsonic and supersonic capable. It noted that if the primary system caliber is not a current Pentagon-approved munitions system, it shall be capable of transitioning to a current .300 Norma Magnum duty-approved munition with a quick change kit, T. Such a quick change kit shall be able to switch calibers within 5 minutes. The ELRSR shall have an overall length of no more than 56 inches, no more than 50 inches, less suppressor, and the length of pull set to 14.5 inches, the notice added. The ELRSR shall weigh no more than 22 pounds with barrel, empty magazine, no more than 18 pounds. A modular, multi-caliber rifle would replace the current two primary sniper systems employed by the U.S. military. These include the M107 and 15 Malawian Quachas.